In a place very near to yours lives a peaceful community of happy Stas people who work together side by side. Meet Sarah the clerk, Tim the supplier and Sam the scrap man. Hey look, there's John the client. Say hi to salesman Fred and Peter the workman. They all live and work together to make the world of bulk transport the best one to live in. Actually, this is your world too. The vegetables you eat were transported from the fields, over the roads, to the vegetable factory. Your trash bags are transported over the roads to the recycling company. Imagine a world without transport. No vegetables, fries or sugar. No roads, houses or companies. No recycling means trash everywhere. We know our sector will always have some impact on this planet. But we do take 100% responsibility at Stas. We believe in an ecosystem at Stas where suppliers and Stas and clients work and think together, each with their own purpose. We want to change this focus so that we can go forward with one same goal, shaping the Stas ecosystem to build the best world to live in.